What's up, guys? This is Fruta Lupez. I'm doing my first sneaker box opening. It's not a mystery box because I already opened it and I already know what shoes are in there. So maybe next time we can do an actual sneaker mystery box. So I got this box from directkicks.com. This is a $500 beater box, and let's see what we got. So I'll go through the first two shoes that don't have boxes. So the first pair we got right over here. These are the Jordan Flight Wheat or Golden Harvest. So these are a size 10. You know, they're obviously been used. The bottoms are a little dirty. There's a little bit of some dirt on the actual leather right here, but I mean overall these shoes look pretty good. There's that. So doing my research too, I estimated these shoes go about $60 on the resale market, so not crazy good, but I mean it's definitely a start. And so the second pair of shoes that we got that don't have a box are these. These are the Penny Hardaway shoes. Got that mixed up. Penny Hardaway shoes. So these are actually from a pack from the Penny Hardaway like Sharpie pack. And I think these came out in 2017. I usually don't know much about these kind of shoes, so definitely I looked these up before the video was taken. But yeah, these come in a pack like a full box set, 2 pairs of shoes. And these are actually pretty cool. I don't play basketball at all. These are definitely used, bottoms again dirty up. But overall these shoes are like in pretty good condition for what they are. I mean, they're basketball shoes, so they're obviously meant to, you know, get some good wear and tear in them. And so these shoes, after looking around, these are size 9.5. After looking around, I found that they go for about $100. And that was mostly more on eBay than Go or any other app. All right, now to go into the shoes with boxes. This is the first time I've actually seen these pair of shoes in person. These are a pair of Air Foamposites in size 11, and they're in the copper finish. So, you know, these are, honestly, these are pretty cool. They are used, they're a little dirty on the bottoms, of course. But I mean, the air signs, you can still see, if you can see it, still there, it's still pretty pristine. So whoever had these, definitely took pretty good care. I know Foamposites, from what I've heard from other YouTubers and people, they are like heavy duty shoes. I mean sneakers that you can use. So I mean overall these shoes, I mean they look good for what they look. And I think they came out in 2017. And I already know Foamposites, their retail value is really high already. I think it's like in the 200s, maybe 225. Correct me on the comments if I definitely got that wrong. But I found out these shoes go for, on the resale market, used with box, everything, $150. So that's pretty good, not bad. So next pair of shoes we got are, so like a lot of these shoes I'm actually seeing for the first time in person. And so this is kind of like exciting, kind of cool for me. The next pair of shoes are the Jordan 20s lasers. These are pretty cool. They're definitely used. Bottoms are dirty again, and they are in pretty good condition overall. I know the shoes are a few years old. There's a little bit of dirt on the back here. I mean, a little bit of mess on, you know, around the shoe. A little bit of toe box creasing. But overall, these shoes are actually in pretty good condition. And from the price of these guys go around like $75 used, with box and everything. And also the box is damaged on this, so it's, you know, you're paying for what you're getting for, really. All right, and then next one, these are definitely a classic. This is a Jordan 3 white cement. And again, I've never seen a pair of Jordan 3s in my life. I've seen them on Twitter, on YouTube, things like that. It's actually pretty cool to see these shoes in person. And so these are a size 13, so they're pretty darn big. I wear a size 10, 9.5 depending on the type of shoe. But these shoes are like massive. I've never seen a shoe, like held a shoe this big in my life before. But these are from all the way back in 2011. Comes with the box. They don't have the tag, the Jordan Air tag that comes on the side, which kind of sucks. I was hoping it did. But for a 2011, I'm pretty sure it's 2011. If not, correct me, please. This shoe is actually in like really good shape. You can see the bottoms here, really good. Again, the bottoms. You know, they do have the Air symbol inside the shoe is pretty much gone in them, but I mean, there's actually little to no sock lint whatsoever, which is like really, really good. I mean, minimal creasing, laces are a little dirty. There's paint chipping right here on the shoe. But I mean, overall for the 2011 shoe, 2012, 2011 shoe, like this is actually in really, really good shape. So whoever had these before, definitely did pretty good care of them. And so looking at the resell market on these guys used, they go for about 125. That's what I really averaged it out for. Some people were saying 150. I mean, that's asking too, but like after what I see on like bought prices, it usually averaged out to 125. All right, so last shoe in the box here. These are a pair of LeBron James, and these are pretty cool. These are the graffitis, the LeBron 11 graffitis. I almost thought these were dead stock, but they are not. There's definitely like a little bit of dirt. It's really hard to see on this camera. There's definitely a little bit of dirt on these, on the bottom of the soles. I mean, I couldn't even tell you if they've been walked in, because these shoes don't look like they're the type to crease easily. I don't actually know a lot, very, very little about the LeBron James line and the sneakers that come out. This shoe is pretty cool. Nothing I would wear personally, again, because I don't, obviously these are made for basketball primarily. But they're pretty cool. They haven't been used. They came in the original box, which is great. But overall, you know, just pretty decent shoe. After finding these are size 10 and a half. These go for around $90 used. So again, not bad. So yeah, so after all of that, that's pretty much it. A $500 beater box. Actually, for first time buying at Direct Kicks, they gave me a $20 coupon, but it was like $20, $15 for shipping, so it kind of equaled out. So I paid $4.95 for the box in total. I projected gross profit out of these would be $700, so we're seeing somewhere around $200 in gross profit, which is really nice. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm definitely gonna resell these shoes. I like to do resell on part-time. That's my side gig, and we'll see what's going on. Thanks, guys.